I've been doing some fractal burning lately and I'm getting some really nice burns. I'm using African Mahogany with baking soda solution and I'm getting nice, wide, deep burns, lots of figure around the edges. So I want to share it with you. Let's do one. So I've been doing fractal burning about 6 years now, and while I'm comfortable doing it, I'm not complacent in any way. Fractal burning is something that's very serious. It's dangerous. One of the first things I do is I take my piece and I level it with some shims. This ensures that our electrolyte solution stays where we want it. We don't want it running off the edge. We don't want to be sloppy with it at all. I put a small little piece of folded up paper towel underneath one probe and saturate it with the solution. This will give us a burn in one direction heading towards that probe, but the paper must remain wet. So when I'm done applying the solution, I have the probes in the spots that I want. I step back to the point where I control the power to the system. I have 3 points where I can kill the power, and anytime I need to go make an adjustment with probes, solution, or anything on that end, I kill the power at all 3 points. Now after scrubbing all the soot out of the burns, you can see as it dries, we're left with a nasty stain. If you try to sand this out, you will lose all your fine details. I use a product called wood bleach. It's simple to use and does a great job of fading the stain away. Just be cautious as it is an acid. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you are doing fractal burning and you're thinking about it, please be safe. Take it very seriously. People die doing this every year. So, enough doom and gloom though. Let's do the joke of the day. So this guy asked his elderly grandpa, he says, "Grandpa," he's like, "you keep calling Grandma sweetie, love muffin, sugar pie, honey, after 60 years. He says, what's the secret?" He says, "You want to know what the secret is?" He says, "Yeah." He says, "The secret is, I forgot her name 5 years ago and I'm too scared to ask." All right, as always, stay safe and take it easy.